Adding money to your Revolut account via bank transfer is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log in. Sign into your Revolut app on your mobile device or access your account through the Revolut website using your credentials. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the app or website. Tap Add Money or Top Up. Look for the option to add money to your Revolut account. This may be labeled as Add Money, Top Up or similar. Choose Bank Transfer. Select the option to add funds via bank transfer. Retrieve account details. Revolut will provide you with the necessary account details, including the recipient name, IBAN, and BIC or SWIFT code. Initiate transfer. Use your bank's online banking platform or visit a branch to initiate a bank transfer. Enter the provided Revolut account details as the recipient information. Specify amount. Specify the amount you wish to transfer to your Revolut account. Confirm transfer. Review the details of the bank transfer, including the recipient information and amount. Confirm the transfer to initiate the transaction. Wait for funds. Depending on your bank's processing times, it may take a few hours to a few business days for the funds to reach your Revolut account.